Wow, we're making a TV show and a movie here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you for being here.
So today we had a special guest, Mr. Stephen Ritz. He goes around the country influencing vegetable growth within schools and like year round.
Today we are going to be celebrating one of my favorite foods, hummus. We're going to be making it together. And we're going to be even mixing it up with vegetables because I love vegetables. And I put hummus on top, and then I take little pieces of cucumber, and it's gooey. Oh, I love that. That's one of my favorites. It's healthy. I'm just honored and delighted to be here. When you look at this line and see what's on this lunch line here in Dearborn, Michigan, when it's 0 degrees outside, how inspiring is it? And that's what kids should be eating, healthy food.
Every month at Maples Elementary, we have a core value that we highlight, and the students work towards that. Students are chosen by their classroom teacher for exhibiting this behavior. This month was determination. SFE has been providing a fun activity on the last day of the month, and this month we got to do this special activity.
31 of you for honesty, integrity, kindness. Look at all your names. Unbelievable. Do you see your names up there? Oh, there you go. Hold on, I'll go back. I'll go back. You see your name? I made sure I got every single name on there.
We wanted to focus on the vegetables this month for the students of the month. So we did a hummus cup with some veggies, and we made it like a hummus dipper. So we showed them how to cut the vegetables, we showed them how to make hummus, and they really enjoyed it.
Their favorite part was using a knife.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was the highlight.
That was fun. Watching it.
Plastic
knives, safe knives. Gives the kids a chance to experience, hands-on. So
playing chefs, pretending to be chefs.
It was really fun.
I'm gonna be Chef Gordon Ramsay.
And to celebrate the honor students and kids who have achieved by rewarding them with salad instead of cookies and cream, and that's how a school moves health goals forward and educational goals forward and really builds unity in our communities. It starts with food, and it's culturally relevant as well, and nothing thrills me more. So from the Bronx to Detroit to Dearborn, I'm honored to be here. I'm just thrilled to be part of this yummy, delicious, nutritious, get your hummus on team. Sarah, look this way, got you smiling, Okay, here we go. And guess what? You'll wear this one, and they turn this way. Here we go. Look at all these little chefs. Everybody look this way.
I'm the chef and he's the sous chef.
A sous chef?
I'm the chef, but I'm the chef.
When children understand that food doesn't come from aisle 9 in the supermarket or from the basement or the garage, but that human effort goes into it, that changes everything. And my goal here is hopefully I'll inspire one of these kids to go on and become a scientist, a foodie, a farmer, a food advocate, or a nutritionist. So it's always important to thank our chefs, our farmers, acknowledge where our food comes from, and that helps to reduce our footprint, reduce food waste. And in a world where I tell kids they can be anything and we want them to aspire to be anything, let's continue to have them be kind to themselves, each other, and the planet. And the way you do that is by stressing what's on the tip of your fork and celebrating it and those who bring it to you daily. Mr. Fatouche, we have changed his name. Tell the teacher he has a new name. It is Mr. Fatouche. Okay, they're going to change.